What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Monday. So this Unbox Monday is based on Revell's 1967 Plymouth GTX. So let's go on the box, see what's on the box, open it up, see what comes inside, and take more detail later on. Alright, let's get started with decals. Decals, as typical as Revell decals go, very nice, high quality. Got some striping, interior decals for gauges, shifter, all that good stuff. And you got your filter decal. Nice decals. You got a couple of license plate options. Nothing too crazy, but your necessary needs for the vehicle. You got the clear parts here. You got your front, side, and back glass, as well as your indicator lights, fog lights, and headlights, and your windshield washer fluid. Very nice. And you do got tinted tail lights, which is always a good plus. Alright, let's get to the chrome parts. Very nice chrome parts. You got a couple options for wheels. So here's a giant filter. There's your first option of wheels, which looks very nice. Here's the console. You can always strip that if you don't want that chrome. And a bunch of various engine parts, shifter, mirror, rear view mirror, your grill there, your hood part goes your hood. Bunch of awesome parts, nice detail, nice valve covers, your back bumper, and your back assembly. And here's your other wheels right there. Very nice, nice chrome tree. Alright, let's get to the white plastic. So this tree, you get your highly detailed chassis. Wow, that is a very nice detail. Look at that. Got some writing down there. You can easily just get your Dremel and Dremel that right out. Don't want that there, but you're not even going to see it as much because the axle doesn't go right there. But nice detail. I give it that. Nice. This tree is going to have your interior parts, so you get your front seats and your front seat backings. You get your dashboard and your main interior bucket. If back seats molded in, which is not too big of a deal, but do wish they did mold it separately. Your radiator and radiator shroud, radiator hose, some suspension here, and your steering wheel and steering column. Alright, this tree has your pedals and your other radiator hose. Looks like a sway bar, your front suspension, your diff, and your fan. Alright, this one has your door panels. Nice detail. And just a bunch of various other parts. Here's your headers, your exhaust tips for your exhaust. Once you got lines that goes to your firewall to your engine, which is actually pretty cool with that. Your battery and your two wheel backs. get part of your hood. This is optional, I believe. And I didn't notice. Is this a 2-in-1? I didn't really see. You get your drag exhaust, which is actually pretty cool. If you don't use those, definitely keep those. Your other part, yeah, another filter. I didn't notice it's a 2-in-1. It doesn't say in the box. Your other two go backs and more engine parts. Your water pump. And just a bunch of various parts. I'm not really sure what the heck that is. Here's your engine halves with oil pan. And you do got another set of door panels. So you do have some optional parts in this kit, which I did not know. And it doesn't say a 2-in-1. And here's your hood. And you do have a circle that you have cut out if you can use one of the filters. And then you get your little divots for the actual hood scoop. That's optional. You get your hood latches, belts and pulleys, your firewall, and radiator shroud, and your exhaust, and the top part of your dash. Alright, the last main bulk of this kit is obviously going to be your body. Body is in very good shape. You get your part of your fenders in here for your engine bay molded in, which is not a big deal. But overall, the body looks in very good shape. The mold lines are actually pretty decent for once. But I do want to make sure. I would scrub them out for you just to be 100% sure, especially if you're doing primer and then a couple coats of paint and then clear. Or matte clear, whatever you're going to do with it. So definitely scrub them out a little bit deeper. But they are good. You just have to leave them alone. But the body looks in very, you got some headliner detail in there, which is actually an awesome, good plus. But yeah, awesome body. And then being the last thing in this kit, you do get red lines. Say that 10 times fast. But nice red lines, very nice. You do get black wall on the outer side if you don't want the red lines. Decent tread pattern. They are on a tree, so you do have to do some, cutting and cleaning up, but not too major. But that's very cool to add those in. Overall, what an incredible kit. This kit's actually very cool. It's actually highly detailed. I do recommend it. Pick one up yourselves. I'll provide a link down below where you can get yours. But incredible kit. Amazing detail. It does not say it's a 2-in-1. But there is some optional parts in this kit I did not know about, so that's very cool. And I know what those other parts were. They were actually another scoop of the hood, so you do have quite a few options to do the hood, which is actually pretty cool. But very good detail. Pick one up. I'm sure you can detail the heck out of this kit. But until my next Unbox Monday, I'll catch you later. Bye for now.